everyone! Welcome to DIY House! Today, I'll be making a Christmas house with DIY Christmas gifts. This is an early Christmas present for you. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.
That's amazing! Wow!
Hello, everyone!
That's amazing!
Let's get started. Christmas will have two main colors, red and green. Wow! The Christmas atmosphere is brightly lighting up the house. Adding windows as well. Using green clay, rolling it into small balls. The arch window is decorated with twine, creating a lovely texture with small dots. Colorful beads for decoration.
Nice!
Merry Christmas logo. Using a cardboard sheet, spreading glitter foam on the outside. Next, curve the cardboard, wrapping it with red paper on the outside. Black foam sheet for making the chimney of the train. Sprinkle fake snow. The train engine is complete. Next, I'm making the control room. Assembling the details, I wrapped in red paper. Cleverly cutting velvet fabric to simulate melting snow. Almost done.
Wow!
Do you like sitting on the train? I really enjoy traveling by train because I can admire the majestic natural scenery along the way. Don't forget to add the wheels.
Good!
It's done! But we still need to make the train carriage. Wrap all the edges again.
Nice!
Looks amazing! We're ready to set off now. We also need Santa Claus. He has a thick white beard, a large nose, and a bushy pair of eyebrows. He wears a red hat and a huge suit. Ready to travel around the world on the train. He often jumps down the chimney to leave gifts for well-behaved children. This spot will be where we place a name tag for Kitty.
Where is Santa going?
I'm going to distribute gifts to well-behaved children.
I'm going to distribute gifts to well-behaved children.
Okay, come here, my dear.
Next, I'll make a slide for easy up and down access. Winding and twisting. I enjoy playing with it. Haha. Red, orange, yellow, young green, blue, purple. Adding a border of ribbon.
Wow, the slide looks beautiful. I want to play with it. That's amazing! I'll invite Frosty the Snowman and my friends to come and play. Wow!
a fireplace for the living room. Assembling the parts together. Running a border around the fireplace with green and red velvet ribbon. Now, let's make some decorations to hang around the fireplace. A green candle will make the room feel cozy. A potted plant and a picture of Santa Claus.
Hello, everyone.
Can't forget the pair of red stockings, right? Now, let's arrange the logs for the fireplace.
That's amazing!
A red chair for the living room really stands out. Pressing down on the clay to create grooves. Do you see it looks like Santa Claus's coat? Exactly. I got the inspiration from that. Next, let's make a table. I'm hungry now. Roast turkey and bubble tea. Oh, that sounds wonderful.
We need a Christmas tree.
Use clay to mold a lot of circles, then assemble them together.
So good!
Let's decorate the Christmas tree.
Okay! Wow! The gift box is too nice. Christmas Eve is here. Let's capture a photo to preserve these beautiful moments. So good!
Merry Christmas, Kitty. The Christmas house is complete. Can you feel the warmth and happiness? The joy of the holiday is approaching. Which room impresses you the most? Please leave your answer below. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all.